end of the point, it is really worth it to pay that much money.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Uma.
And I'm Dr. Apni.
So today we want to address one of the serious questions some of you have asked: how to deal with the critic and the inferiority while choosing non-clinical over the clinical branch.
And also we are going to share about how the non-clinical branch will be, and we'll share our experience and also journey.
Yes.
So Uma, let's talk about you. Like when you joined first MD Pharmacology residentship, so that time what was your thought?
Okay, at that time even I think I have faced something similar kind of a situation.
So inferiority?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it was with me.
Yes.
People didn't critique or they made me feel inferior, but I used to feel whenever I used to step out of my hostel, I used to stay at a hostel which was surrounded by all the clinical people. I was the only non-clinical person who was staying. So I used to feel जब भी मैं रूम से बाहर जाऊंगी लोग मुझे पूछेंगे which branch you have taken और तू कौन से branch से है.
Yes.
And I used to get scared कि यार how can I tell them that I am doing MD pharmacology. वो लोग तो जज करेंगे कि ओ फार्मेट में क्या हो रहा है and all. So also they used to see my lifestyle. I used to come back from college and go for my table tennis, then come back and study for a while, again go for my dinner.
Yes.
So my routine was all set and I used to feel jealous. This is what I used to think.
Yeah.
यार इनको तो लगेगा इसका
It was
क्या
just
है,
pure
इसका
your
तो-
thought, right?
Yeah, it was pure my thought.
Okay.
इसका तो क्या है, देखो फार्मा के लोग घूम रहे हैं इधर उधर.
Yes.
Like something like
because
that.
our schedule is just 9 to 5, right?
Yeah,
So
and
after 5 we can
that
join
is
other
the
interests.
only main thing we have chosen this branch.
Correct.
We have n number of things to do along with studies.
Study.
So we have chosen this branch, a 9 to 5 thing. That was my motto behind choosing this branch. I want a balanced life.
Yes.
Something similar happened with you anytime before?
Not like this, but when I chose this branch, that time there are so many family friends. They were asking me that why you chose pharmacology and not the clinical branch. So that time that was very tough to explain them. But now after 8 months,
Eventually.
yes, eventually after 8 or 9 months, they are seeing me happy. I'm enjoying my life.
Right.
I am enjoying the stuff. Not just studying, but the other interests
other
too.
everything.
So now it's very obvious to them that this.
She is happy.
Yes,
and
yes,
I
yes,
think
correct.
that should matter at the end.
Correct. What was your family's reaction, first reaction,
First
when you
reaction,
told
okay,
them
it
that you
was-
want to choose pharmacology?
Okay, it was like 50-50%. Since my dad
Because
is a gynecologist,
and your brother is also gynecologist, so
Yeah.
it was very tough.
it was
decision
tough.
for you.
It was tough for me.
So you saw your father to running forward the
Yeah,
emergencies
24/7.
and yes, correct.
24/7. I used to see since my childhood that we used to miss them. So ये मैंने तभी डिसाइड किया था कि मुझे गायनेकोलॉजी तो नहीं करना है.
Yes.
I have seen his life, his struggles and everything, and I was like, I am not somebody who can go through this. Eventually वो लोगों को भी accept हो गया that this branch is the best.
The best, because this branch is saving your time, saving your money.
Yes,
correct.
money
Because
plays
there are so
a
many people who
important role.
cannot afford the private college
Right.
fees and all.
Right.
So for them, पता है मतलब उनको ये है कि अगर हम ये ब्रांच चूज करेंगे नॉन क्लिनिकल, वेदर इज माइक्रोबायोलॉजी, बायोकेमिस्ट्री, पैथोलॉजी या पीएसएम एंड सो मेनी अदर ब्रांचेस, सो उनको ये है कि अगर हम ये ब्रांच चूज करेंगे तो जो अदर पीपल जो रहते हैं तो वो ये पूछेंगे कि नॉन क्लिनिकल क्यों लिया है, आगे कोई स्कोप नहीं है.
If you own have explored your branch, तो तब तुमको इजी होता है बाकी लोगों को एक्सप्लेन करें कि
convince
हमारे
करना.
ब्रांच में ये होता है एंड
Correct.
प्लीज कम एंड सी. दिस इज नॉट हाउ लाइक पीपल थिंक अबाउट इट.
Yes.
एंड लोगों के ओपिनियंस तो क्लिनिकल में भी होते हैं.
Correct.
इवन सैचुरेशन तो क्लिनिकल में भी
Clinical
है
में भी है,
nowadays.
correct.
Then also people are leaning towards clinical. Why? So I feel personally, if you are very passionate about performing surgeries every single day,
like any surgery,
you
any
can
type of.
like blindly go for surgery or surgical branches for
Correct.
that. Are
Because of the
confused-
mindset, if you are not taking non-clinical, then they
or if
has
you are
to
confused
think.
between clinical and non-clinical,
Correct.
then I think you should consider all of the pros and cons before choosing your branch.
Correct.
Because the branch stays with you for life. It's not about the 3 years of residency.
Correct.
It will stay with you for
For
your
a
entire
lifetime.
life.
Correct.
So you should choose wisely. You don't choose the right branch, but the
branch
right branch
will choose you.
chooses you.
Correct. And people are telling that saturation and all non-clinical branches is also having the saturation. It is correct. It will. End of the point, like after 5 years saturation सभी जगह पे है, पर मुझे ये लगता है it's about your skill also.
Yeah.
If you want to do hard work, if you really want to dip down in that branch, then मुझे ये लगता है कि end of the point सभी जगह पे चीज़
Same
वर्क
ही
करेगी.
है.
Correct, correct. In private colleges, they are paying so much money, right? Per year they are paying 20
Around
lakhs.
25
हाँ,
lakhs.
20 lakhs, 25, 30 lakhs. And
This is for MBBS.
Yes.
Just MBBS. उसके बाद तुम PG का तो अलग.
अलग से रहता है.
That will range from 30-40 lakhs per year.
Correct.
That can really go up to the sky.
And it is really worth it to pay that much money? That is a big question.
हाँ, ये क्वेश्चन बहुत लोग पूछते हैं. Is
Correct.
it worth to invest this
Correct.
much of amount in a degree, or rather we should take non-clinical and be happy with whatever we are getting?
देख non-clinical भी it's not that easy जितना लोग सोचते हैं.
बस literally 1-2 lecture लेके you can earn. It's not like that. Like if you will come to department, then only you will realize कि यहाँ पे क्या क्या
कितना
चलता
काम.
है and
Correct.
what all things go.
But if we are seeing money wise, then non-clinical मुझे लगता है they are saving lot of money.
Definitely
and then
they are
can
saving.
invest that money on other things also.
Plus we are getting a balanced life. We are maintaining our
Health also.
schedule, health.
Correct.
We are prioritizing everything and not just studying. So if you are someone like this कि जिसको सब कुछ करना अच्छा लगता है, not just the studies, then I think you should think of taking non-clinical and not think of what people will say. So eventually, I think you should choose your own life above everything.
Correct.
And your own happiness.
And your choice, I guess.
And it matters the most, I feel.
मुझे ये लगता है it's all about the mindset, right?
Yeah, definitely. It's all about
अगर
your own mindset.
Correct. If you are sure, then no one will stop you.
Choose it wisely.
जो stereotype अभी तक बना है non clinical branches का, ठीक है, तो अभी जो era चल रहा है वहाँ पे कोई भी अगर नॉन क्लिनिकल ब्रांच ले रहा है तो उनको स्टार्टिंग में उनको खुद से ही वो इन्फीरियोरिटी फील होता है.
राइट.
चाहे कोई और बोले या ना बोले,
बोले.
उनको होता है क्योंकि जो अभी तक जो हुआ है नॉन क्लिनिकल में भी कम लोग ले रहे थे और नाउअडेज पीपल आर इवन थिंकिंग अबाउट नॉन क्लिनिकल अदर ब्रांचेस. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट जस्ट फार्माकोलॉजी, माइक्रोबायोलॉजी, अदर बायोकेमिस्ट्री, जो एनाटॉमी दे आर टेकिंग, एफएमटी इवन. सो अभी तक का जो एरा है उसकी वजह से सोच रहे हैं.
So
मुझे लगता है ओपनली ये बातें होनी चाहिए.
हाँ. People nowadays like not opening up that much. इसको वो लोग एक stereotype and inferiority complex के जैसे ही treat करते हैं. Non-clinical. Oh, she took non-clinical.
Yeah.
Why? उसको तो clinical नहीं मिल रहा था ना. That is why she chose non-clinical. और क्या करेगी? It's not about that. Every time
it's not about all क्या करेगी. मतलब
यहाँ पे if you see हमारे साथ ही ऐसे कुछ लोग हैं जिनको clinical में bestest of best seat मिल सकता था. It's about their choice which matters. उन्होंने वो सीट छोड़ दिया है और वो लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं. They chose their life above everything, above that clinical branch.
Clinical में तो है ही scope, ठीक है, but non-clinical branch is also giving so many broad scopes,
along
right?
with the balanced life. Yeah, it's just 9 to 5. Frankly, I'm telling that you should take all of these branches. अगर वो तुम्हारे दिल से आवाज आ रही है,
decision, then you can go for it.
हाँ, if you decide by your own कि नहीं यार मुझे तो यही करना है, I feel that adrenaline. You should know why you are choosing your branch. You should know why you have taken this branch and should be able to explain to other people as well.
Capability too.
Yeah.
Right?
क्योंकि ऐसे तो कोई ब्रांच सही या गलत नहीं होता. हर एक ब्रांच के अपने प्रोज एंड कॉन्स होते ही है. अगर तुमको वो चीज़ें पता है देन तुम अपने आसपास के लोगों को वो बता सकते हो कि भाई हमारे ब्रांच में ऐसा होता है चीज़ें. बट इफ़ यू आर चूजिंग इट लाइक टेक इट वेरी फॉर्मली, टेक इट वेरी पॉजिटिवली एंड हैप्पीली कि आई एम चूजिंग दिस ब्रांच and this branch is gonna stay with me for entire life.
ये नहीं कि तुमने 1 साल कर दिया
छोड़ दिया,
then you are
नहीं हो रहा है भाई
thinking कि
मुझसे।
नॉन क्लिनिकल तो है, चलो
ले लेते
ले
हैं,
लेते
try
हैं,
कर लेते
जिसका
हैं।
ट्राई कर लेते हैं। डोंट डू दैट, बिकॉज तुम अगर वो सीट ले रहे हो तो जिसको जेन्युइनली वो सीट चाहिए
चाहिए,
होती है
उसको वो सीट
उसको
नहीं
नहीं
मिलेगी।
मिलेगी। सो इफ यू आर चूजिंग नॉन क्लिनिकल देन पहले तुम्हारा जो डिसीजन है वो कंफर्म होना चाहिए। जस्ट बीच में छोड़ने के लिए मत लो, या फिर दूसरी बार नीट देनी है या फिर कोई और एग्जामिनेशन देनी है उसके लिए जस्ट यू आर टेकिंग इट। तो तुम ये तो सोचो तुम्हारे वो सीट के चक्कर में किसी और को जो जेन्युइनली लेना चाहता था उसको नहीं मिलेगा
नहीं
वो
मिलेगा
सीट।
वो सीट, राइट।
पहले बायोकेम भी अच्छा लगता था, फार्मिक भी अच्छा लगता था,
हम्म।
बट बायोकेम में क्या क्या रहता है कि वहाँ पे अगेन इंटरवेंशन वगैरह
Right.
आ जाएगा, ठीक
Testing
है।
आएगा।
नाइट ड्यूटी भी कभी कभी मतलब
हो
लगाते
सकती
हो
है, हाँ,
सकती
हो
है, ठीक
सकती
है।
है।
तो मुझे वो नहीं चाहिए था,
हाँ।
तो मैंने वहाँ जाके
वो
बायोकेम
सीखा
में
ना।
एक्सप्लेन, हाँ वो सारा एक्सप्लोर किया, ठीक है। उसके बाद मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि नहीं ये
ये
यहाँ पे
lifestyle
मेरा,
नहीं
हाँ
करना।
ये यहाँ पे मेरा लिमिटेशन आ जाएगा, आई विल नॉट
Not
डू
be able
दैट,
to do
हाँ
that, हाँ।
तो वो आ जाएगा। तो फिर अगेन फिर मेरे पास दूसरा ऑप्शन था ये फार्मिक का। फार्मिक के लिए मैंने एक्सप्लोर की सारी चीज़ें कि कॉर्पोरेट जॉब हो गई, वो मेरा इंटरेस्ट है, मैं ये कर सकती हूँ, ठीक है। देन आई चूज दैट।
राइट, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। वही बोल रही हूँ मैं, प्रोज एंड कॉन्स अपने जो भी ब्रांच के हैं वो प्लीज लिख लो। टॉक टू द स्पेशलिस्ट, टॉक टू योर सीनियर,
Even talk to your family members too.
टॉक टू योर फैमिली, इवन टॉक टू योर सेल्फ, दैट मैटर्स द मोस्ट। यू आस्क योर सेल्फ तुमको लाइफ से क्या चाहिए। देखो, नो मैटर व्हाट ब्रांच यू चूज, तुम्हारे स्किल्स, तुम्हारे
चाहे कोई भी
क्वालिटीज,
branch
तुम्हारा
हो तुम्हारा।
पर्सनालिटी, तुम्हारा कम्युनिकेशन एंड तुम्हारा नॉलेज, ये 5 चीज़ें हर जगह आएगी। एंड इफ यू ग्रो विथ ऑल ऑफ दीज 5 थिंग्स देन नोबडी कैन स्टॉप यू।
जैसे तूने अभी मेंशन किया ये सारी चीज़ें नहीं होगी तुम्हारे पास, तो तुम 3 साल करके भी आगे क्या करोगे?
हर एक ब्रांच का जैसे हमने बोला कि अपना प्रोज है, अपने
कौन
कॉन्स
से?
है। यू फिगर आउट हाउ इज द जर्नी, हाउ इज द प्रोसेस, हाउ इज द रेसिडेंसी, मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट। So feel free to ask us anytime, and
We will definitely try to guide you.
yes, and don't feel that inferiority if you are
That's the
choosing
main
non-clinical.
point. Non-clinical or any branch.
It's you who is going to choose the branch and who is going to deal with that branch for your entire life. So please like, share and subscribe. And let your colleagues, your friends, your family friends know about this
And
issue.
tell us your question.
Yeah,
So
and we would be
like to
happy
answer that.
to help you. Thank
Thank
you.
you.